I'm Anastasiya Kizima, and I am the head of Rise. We are the home of Fintech, and we are very much a global community of Fintech innovators, really working together and making sure that there is open innovation being supported to really solve for the future of finance. So when students or younger professionals come through, I'm really excited to get them involved in this topic because I really think this is the future of finance. And I'm really excited to share this opportunity with them and to get them as excited about it as we are. I'm a huge proponent of getting young people exposed to the different things that are out there. I personally benefited from a lot of similar programs in my early stages of career and when I was studying. So I'm really, really keen on making sure that these kind of programs and these kind of initiatives are supported and do take place. I think one of the biggest benefits is that you really understand what's out there so you can make a better decision about what you're looking to pursue to study. You can find out that thing that you're really excited about. I think earlier on in your career it's really difficult to understand what you even like sometimes. So really just understanding what's out there and talking to people who are in the space and understanding what they do, what their day-to-day looks like, really helps younger people understand what they could potentially be doing and all the different things they could be involved in. And you never know, maybe they have the next greatest idea, then they should know that there's a space for them to be supported with that.